This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cone stands, specifically these mini cone stands. This white plastic pallet cone holder fits 35 mini cones. It's 16 inches long by 13 inches wide and 3 inches in height. And we're showing it off here today with the bamboo mini cones. It's also available in clear or black as well. The cones themselves are sold separately, and you've got lots of options to help customize the look you want. The contemporary artist palette inspired design of this cone stand is really nice and modern and simple. It acts as a great neutral backdrop to really help show off your attractive, lovely, and tasty foods. It's got excellent stability. It has 3 legs to raise it up, and they're also set back a little bit, so it kind of gives it that air of floating. It fits 35 of those mini cones, and the palette itself comes in these great neutral color options. You have the white, clear, or black. The modern design means that it's a good option for a wide variety of events. The stands themselves are compatible with the bamboo mini cones that you can see here, but also the pine wood ones as well. And you want to check the listings for those compatible mini cones, as well as some great other options, including some edible ones. They're an elegant way to serve apps, small bites, and even desserts. They can easily be wiped down and reused, but can also be used as a disposable option as well. These stands themselves are made of recyclable plastic. They're great for caterers, party planners, event venues, or even your next gathering at home.